everybody, are you ready to take your programming skill to the next level? Whether you are a beginner exploring the basics or a seasoned coder sharpening your tools, having a right resource is key. Today I am sharing the top 5 websites to learn programming language like HTML, CSS, PHP and much more. These websites are game changer. Let's dive in. Starting with the number 1 on our list, the classic W3 schools. This website is the starting point for anyone learning programming. From HTML, CSS and JavaScript to PHP and SQL, it has everything. What sets it apart is the try-yourself features, where you can write and test code instantly and perfect for mastering the basics. And don't forget to their certification programs. They are great for the resume. Next is freecodecamp, a non-profit platform that's 100% free with thousands of hours of tutorials. It covers web development, JavaScript, Python and more. The best part, you will build real-world projects as you learn, which means you won't just study, you will create. Plus, freecodecamp has a fantastic community to help you every step of the way. Each of these platforms is powerhouse for learning, whether you are just starting or looking to level up. These sites have you covered. Number 3 is greeksforgreeks. Famous for it is an interview preparation resource. This site is also amazing for learning programming languages. It offers beginner-friendly tutorials on HTML, CSS, PHP and advanced concepts like frameworks. And if you are into problem solving, there is a treasure trove of coding challenges to test your skills. Coming in the number 4 is tutorialspoint. This website offers crystal clear explanation for programming language like PHP, Python, Ruby and more. Their structured course, practical examples and quiz make learning fun and effective. Tutorialspoint is perfect for both beginners and those looking to dive deeper into a specific language or frameworks. Next is the Mozilla Developer Network or MD and Web Docs. If you want to accurate and detailed documentation for web technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, this is your go-to resource. It's written by developers for developers, making it a highly trusted source. Plus, the guides are updated regularly to keep up with the latest standards. If you are serious about coding, pick one of these websites and get started today. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe and let me know in the comments which site you are excited to try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.